What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm gonna show you on how you can make $300 or even more in 1 hour automatically. This is brand new, super hot opportunity to take advantage of right now. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos on a consistent basis about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more. And make sure you also hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright guys, so as I said, I'm gonna show you here on how you can make $300 or a lot more actually in 1 hour automatically. Once you set this up, you don't need to do anything at all. It runs for itself. But this is super important that you pay attention and watch the whole video so you don't miss out on any important information on how to do this. Make sure you also subscribe to my other YouTube channel, which is My IM Tips. It is related to internet marketing, work from home, make money online and a lot more. You're going to find a link at the top and of course in the description below. And if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real, long-term, sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below that I highly suggest you to have a closer look at when we finish this video, of course. But for now, let's dive into this opportunity on how you can make $300 or even more in 1 hour automatically. Let's go. Alright guys, so basically we all know the circumstances that we live in right now, so how can we take advantage of it? Well, I just came up with the idea by see what people are actually having on their daily life. And what are people wearing these days? They're wearing safe masks, right? Okay, so I did a research and I just went to OfferVault here and I typed safe mask. Okay, so look at this. We have actually two offers here. We have safe mask. This is an e-com product and this is international. So the first one pays 35 and the second one pays 30. Now we can see here that these are from Max Bounty, this is an affiliate network, and this is Express Revenue Inc. So basically I did my research here and I found out that this is the exact same mask, but Max Bounty, they pay you $35 and this company here, Express Revenue Inc., they pay you $30. So what you're going to do is you're going to have to apply to both the networks to see which one is going to approve you. So I'm going to assume that we go for the lowest bet, because otherwise I would have said that you can easily make $350 or even more. But the potential here is so big. You're going to see here on exactly on how we can take advantage of this. So a lot of people, they search for buying safe masks, okay? And if I go here and open this one, you can see that this is how it looks. The face mask that is the best protection against viruses and air pollution, made with nanotechnology to filter the air you breathe, and so on there. So you can have a look at the details for yourself actually if you come to the site here. Now, how are we going to take advantage of this and earn commissions by selling the safe masks? Well, the #1 opportunity is actually YouTube itself. Because look at this. I just typed safe mask here and while it says here that it is 81 searches per month, it is not true. Because look at this. 4.6 million views 2 weeks ago. Okay, you realize that this is a potential to take advantage of right now. So how are we going to take advantage of it? Well, basically we need vidIQ or TubeBuddy. Both are great tools. I use both. I use paid versions actually, but you can get started with the free versions. So let's go here with TubeBuddy. Okay, let's check it out and see what it says. Safe mask, okay, it's a fair keyword, which means that it is 38 of the 100, but we have some opportunities here to have a closer look at, okay, other keywords actually. So let's see here, safe mask shop review, for example. It's a fair keyword. Let's go back again and see what was the other keywords that we have here. Safe mask at home, let's see what this is. Oops, bingo, there you go. You see here that this is a very good keyword to target, okay? So if I do this right here, let's see, what the results are. And look at this, definitely a good keyword to focus on. Okay, DIY homemade surgical face mask. Okay, 548,000 views. This is amazing. Look at this, 4.4 million views. And this was just 2 weeks ago. Okay, 1 month ago, 2.9 million views. So you can get tons of traffic by taking advantage of this. Now, how do you do videos? Now, if you are afraid of showing yourself in the camera, well, all you have to do is actually, you can just start talking like I do now and share your screen about the safe mask. Or if you have purchased the safe mask for yourself, you can do a review about it, okay? You can get started to talk about this site, how to purchase. People wants to know how to purchase with it. Just show them that you have to click on this, for example. There is so many ways that you can go around with this. And you have the alternative actually to download a free screen recorder. One would be OBS, the Open Broadcaster software. It's totally free to get started, to download this, or you can go to alternatively Screencast-O-Matic. Now I use Camtasia. It is a paid one, but there is a 14-day trial if you want to get started with that as well. So basically, if I go back here and show you Safe Mask at Home, okay? Now you do need, of course, to record the video, and the next thing, when you have done it, you will render the video, and of course, you will need to upload it. So how do you upload and take advantage of getting the most out of your video here? Well, basically, we need to do a good title to get started with. And you can see here, I just opened up one of my older videos here just to show you. So basically, we want to take advantage of Safe Mask at Home. Let's go and look and see the most popular videos here. So how can we take advantage of it? Well, we need to actually have a look at what is a good catchy title, or how can we make a good catchy title, but we still want to use the Safe Mask at Home. So it could be, for example, I don't know, I haven't anything planned or prepared here, so I'm just going to improvise a little bit. Basically, do you need to have a safe mask at home, for example? Okay, this could be one title for your keyword. And if I just go here, let's go back and see how does this look here. Well, this looks really good because I don't see anyone that is using this. So this could be a great title, okay? Now the next thing that we need to do is, of course, we want to get approved, and we need to have our link there in the description. And you can see it is exactly as you see my videos here. The first thing that we need to do is take advantage of this and use it right in the beginning of the description again. Now next thing we need to do is, you can see I have my #1 recommendation, but you can actually have this, that grab your face mask here or now, for example, okay? And then you want to use your affiliate link. If it is a long ugly link, you can use a link shortener. Bitly would be, for example, my #1 go-to recommendation. It will look something like this. And let's go back here again and continue. The next thing that we need to do is actually put in a description and use your imagination here, put in some copy, use also the keyword. This is super important, to use your keyword in the description here. Talk about the safe mask, why they need a safe mask, no matter if they are at home. Do they really need it while they're at home, or do they need it only when they are out, and so on there. Do your research about this and focus on it. Use the keywords. Don't stuff the keywords there, okay? The next thing we want to take advantage of is hashtags. This is also something that has become very popular. So it could be, for example, face mask, okay? And then you are more or less done. Another thing to keep in mind, that it is important, use also an affiliate disclaimer here, okay? This is super important tip to keep in mind. To stay on the safe side, I would actually use an affiliate disclaimer. I use it on all my videos, so make sure you stay safe there. And then you are ready to go. Just upload the video, and all you have to do is in the beginning, when you have published the video, you need to promote it. Promote it so you can get some views and likes and comments and feedback, and then it will start to rank. The next thing that you can do is actually more or less you record the exact same video, but you use other titles and other keywords. They are pretty similar, okay? So I mean, if I go back here again and have a look at the safe mask, for example, let's see if we go back here. There you go. You could see earlier that we had other alternatives. And even if they are more competitive, it is definitely a great way to take advantage of it, okay? So you can see here, you can play with a safe mask test, for example. I don't know, this was a bad idea, but I think you get the point here, okay? Safe mask for COVID-19, for example. I'm not sure. I don't know really, okay? Oh, look at this. This is a good keyword, okay? Safe mask to use. Okay, let's go here for COVID-19, for example. Okay, this was a fair keyword, so I have to go back again. But I think you get the point here. You do need to experiment. And don't limit yourself, but this is a great keyword tool that will help you actually to see it. You can also use vidIQ. As I said, they are pretty similar. You're going to get a few different results. So basically, you can take advantage of both, okay? And you can see here, coronavirus outbreak, for example, gives us a high, this is number 70, this is a high popular keyword, for example. So you can use that also. Now, a great way to actually use tags here, the next thing we need to do is, if I go down a little bit, of course you need to have a compelling, a good, catchy thumbnail, but this is also super important, okay? We need to have tags because that is what tells to YouTube that this video is related to these keywords here, these tags. And we want to take advantage of it. You can see here that these are the keywords for the first video that we can see here. So what are tags and keywords that are related to what we are going to upload? Well, safe mask at home, you can see here, look at this, DIY face mask, for example. How to face mask tutorial, this could be another tag, okay? So we are telling YouTube that this is related to these tags and keywords, and then it's going to actually recommend every time someone sees this video, they might also recommend your video as a suggested video. So this is a great way to take advantage of it right now, guys, because you can see here are more keywords. Just copy this, okay? You can open it up actually like this, and
Hi, my name is Joshua Wong.
If I just go down here, look at this. Okay, you can see here you can copy it to clipboard, and you can have your tags and keywords there, so you can just paste them, okay? Make sure they are related, as I said, to the video. This is super important. And of course then you are ready to upload the video, as I said, and start to drive traffic to it. Alright, so there you have it. As you probably can realize right now, the potential of making money with this right now is super hot, and you can definitely make much more than just $300. Now, as I said in the beginning, if you are interested in focusing on building a real long-term sustainable online business, make a full-time passive income online, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below that I highly suggest you to have a closer look at. If you got some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. Make sure you subscribe to both my YouTube channels that you're going to see at the end screen here, and hit that notification bell as well. And you're going to find another Make Money Online video recommendation at the end screen here. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.